So I am here today with a new game, that's Frag. So a little overview about, on the top left corner you can see the profile, that is my profile, and its name. So the name is there. It has many other features like you can add your video to the channel, you can join a club, various other things that you get, stickers kind of, and it shows all the battle history that you have played, what kind of battle you lost, won, and with whom. Then we have the club can have a number of members. Each club has a limit of 80 members, so I am in the club Friends Forever. So that's about it. Then we have this home screen wherein you can, on the top you can check your missions. You get additional chest when you just play through and walk through all these missions. Then you have the fan base. Then you have the season which is currently in. Then we have some other missions and it shows the trophies and the rewards that you get. Then we have a 2v2 mode in which you select 3 players of yours and you can play with either with a teammate or with a random player. Then we have the main royal battle kind of a thing here. Then on the left you have the frag cards. So this is the current squad that I use for playing. So it has various levels. You can upgrade the characters in it. So the upgradation is easily done using just you can click on the upgrade, and then you must have these number of coins, and then you can upgrade your card. Also you have an additional feature in which if you don't have the cards, you can purchase kind of cards using the pink cards that you get while playing and while performing the missions. Then you have this chest thing wherein you can purchase and do a number of things here. Then you have the events are it gives you extra points, coins and cards when you play and perform them. So that is pretty much all about it. So now quickly I'll show you a royal battle so that we can just check out all the features and the basic things available in this game. So I've clicked on the battle mode. So it depends on the internet speed. It shows on the top left corner. It's searching for the player. It's an online game, so I've got a difficult squad to play. Let's see, can I roll it or not. So this is a character that I've been using for a long time now. So I have a skin to this. I can order attacks onto enemies and use some special powers too. So as I have ordered an attack, my players have started attacking. Now I'll select a different player from here. So I have killed one. Now my players are still attacking. This is how you can take additional health, and then I'll order them to attack over here. I'll destroy some of the characters, and these are two other of my characters. I love these characters as they have a very high damage, and I love this one because it can kill anyone very easily. So it's like I'm pretty performing good right now. So I've killed another enemy of mine. Somebody is trying to hit me even, but I dodged it and somehow I won. So that was a rocking victory for me. I almost crushed the enemy. So this is the squad. I love the ninja, the center player and various other things. So one quick feature about the game, some to get the extra cards. So I was talking about the quick feature to the game, that is the cards that you have are divided into 5 categories. One is the attack, then the defense, then the camp, then you have a center and a wild card category. So depending on the players that the characters that how they perform and they act, so these are divided into these. So you also have a training arena and 3 squads that you can create and train yourself fighting with yourself. Apart from that, you have chest and various other things. So that was pretty much it. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. This was a small introduction about Frag.